iPhone tips for seniors basics. Hi everyone, how's it going? This is the first video on our 5-part series iPhone tips for seniors basics, where I'll be talking about basics like touchscreen, swiping, navigating, and closing apps on your iPhone. Let me first show you how to lock and unlock your iPhone. To lock your iPhone, there should be a power button on the right side of the device. All you have to do is press on it and your screen should turn black. To turn it on or unlock your iPhone, you can just press on this same power button and you should see your wallpaper. In order to open your iPhone, just swipe up and that should bring you to your home screen. The home screen is where you can see all the pre-installed applications and even the applications you downloaded from the App Store. To navigate your home screen, you can just swipe to the left and you can even swipe to the right if you want to go back. And to open the control center, just swipe down from the right top corner of your screen and you should see this. This is the control center where you can see the most commonly used controls for your iPhone. Navigating the control center is pretty simple. As you can see, there is an icon for each control, such as for the airplane mode, Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth, which you can see on the left top corner of the screen. And you can turn on or turn off your Wi-Fi from here by simply tapping onto Wi-Fi icon. The same goes for the other icons too. And you can even expand this section by doing a long press on this square to see the other options for AirDrop and personal hotspot. Exit out of this page by tapping on the blank area surrounding it and you should be back to the control center. As you can see, there's a lot of other options as well as playing music. You can just tap on the play button or you can even increase or decrease the brightness of your screen. And you can also do the same for your volume following the gesture I'm doing on my screen. Other than that, there are also other options such as turning on the low power mode, calculator, flashlight, and whatnot. But you can customize all the controls you can see right here on your settings. But before I show you how it's done, let me show you how to exit out of the control center first. To do that, all you have to do is swipe up. So do that on your screen right now, and that should bring you to your home screen. From the home screen, tap on this icon to open settings. And from settings, you have to scroll down all the way to the third section where you can find Control Center. Tap Control Center to open your options. And right here is where you can add and remove controls on your Control Center. So let's say, for example, you'd like to add notes. Just simply tap the plus icon next to it and watch it be moved to the upper section of the included controls in your control center. If you want to remove it, just tap the minus icon and tap remove. But watch how it added a new icon to my control center, which I can tap on and will lead me to my Notes app. And now let's go ahead and get rid of our control center. So let's do that swipe up gesture. And let's do it again in order to close our settings. Once you are back on your home screen, just swipe down, this time from the left top corner of your screen. This will bring you to the what we call notification center. The notification center is where you can see all the notifications and updates from your existing apps. These are my examples right here. So let's go ahead and try to open one. So as you can see, I have an update on my order. And when I tap on it, I have several options. I can tap open, just slide it open, and this will directly bring me to the app where I can see the update on my order. Let's go ahead and close this app now. And to do that, let's do the swipe up gesture again. And let me show you another way to open an app. To open an app, all you have to do is tap the app itself that you want to open. So let's make use of weather as an example. As you can see, I am now on weather after tapping it. Opening an app is pretty straightforward. However, it can be a challenge if you cannot find the app you'd like to open. So another way for you to easily find it and open it is by using the search bar. To do that, let's go back to our home screen and just swipe all the way to the left. And once you reach this page, just tap on it or swipe down and you should see this search bar. You can just look up the app you want to open, like maybe YouTube, and just tap the icon once you see it. And by now, you're probably already very familiar with the swipe up gesture to close an app. But let me show you another way to close all of the applications running in your background to save your battery. It's almost the same gesture, but from your home screen, instead of merely swiping up, what you're gonna have to do is do it slowly. So it's like you're pulling something from the bottom of your screen. And if successfully or properly executed, you should see all the apps running in the background just like this. And just slowly swipe each one of them up to close all of them. And that concludes the iPhone tips for seniors basics. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.